Hello everyone. So on your screen you can see a question. A company purchased the business of Surinder and gave an acceptance of 3 months of rupees 3 lakh. For the balance it issued 12 lakh fully paid equity share of 100 each. So total amount that 3 for the accept we have gave acceptance of 3 lakh rupees and 1200 fully paid equity share of 100 each. So total 12 lakh. So 12 or 3 total 15 lakh. For that we have to pay it. And assets acquired and liabilities taken over. Plant rupees 3 lakh 50,000. Stock in trade 4 lakh 50,000. Land and building 6 lakh rupees. Sundry creditor 1 lakh. So here we are taking, it means we are buying a running business. So in that case we are taking assets as well as liability. So whatever assets like plant, we will debit it. Plant account debit. Then land and building account debit. Then stock in trade, stock in trade account debit. Then to sundry creditor. Now we can see that what is the value of all these things. Sundry creditor account. So plant value, that is plant value 3 lakh 50,000. Stock in trade 4 lakh 50,000. Land and building 6 lakh and sundry creditor 1 lakh. So plant value, that is 3 lakh 50,000. Then land and building, the value is 6 lakh. Then stock in trade value, that is 4 lakh 50,000. Sundry creditor, that is 1 lakh. Now we agree that total 12,000 share of 100 each and 3 lakh of bills payable that we will pay to Surinder. So total 12 lakh plus 3 lakh 15 lakh. For that 15 lakh we agree to, we that amount we will pay. So here you can find out that 15 lakh plus 1 lakh, total 15 plus 1, that is total amount is 16 lakh. And here if you add all these things, 6 4 10 13, total 14 lakh. So 2 lakh difference is there. So here 2 lakh difference we will record by the name of goodwill account. In 11th class in opening entry we do the same thing. So what is the concept behind that? It means if in working note you can understand it. So here what actually we are doing, if liability is greater than assets, so at the asset side we will open a goodwill account. Like here you can see that liability value total is 16 lakh and here assets value total is 14 lakh. So we are opening a goodwill account with the amount of 2 lakh. So that is the case and that is the condition. If liability amount is greater than assets account, we will open a goodwill account and we will pass narration being the purchase consideration for acquiring the business. that entry we will pass. Now next entry, that in previous video we did it, what we pass entry assets debit to vendor. So in that case, after we will pay whatever amount we have to pay to vendor. So here we will pass next entry, Surinder account debit, not account, with the name we won't add account, to bills payable account, to equity capital account. So equity capital, we are ready to pay 12 lakh. It means 12,000 share of 100 each. So that amount we have paid, and 3 lakh as a bills payable. For that we have given our acceptance. So total 15 lakh amount that we have paid. Now entry we will pass being the acceptance, of 3 month of 3 lakh rupees given, and issue of 12,000 equity share of 100 each. So in that way we can mention in a narration. So that is the question I am repeating again, that whatever be the assets that you will be debited and whatever amount you have to pay to Surinder, that will be credited. Here 12 lakh rupees of equity share and 3 lakh rupees of bills payable, that both thing we have added. So total 15 lakh rupees we will transfer in the Surinder account, and 1 lakh that we have creditors we have taken. So total amount, that is 16 lakh. So you will compare that 16 lakh here 16 lakh rupees, and when we total here these three things, total amount is 14 lakh. So total 2 lakh difference will be there, that we transfer to goodwill account. Now after that we will pay Surinder whatever amount we are paying. So vendor account debit, we will pass entry vendor account debit to bills payable. For that we have agree 3 lakh rupees, and to equity capital 12 lakh. So total amount that transfer. That is the condition when liability is greater than assets. So we will open goodwill account at the asset side. Here we study condition where liability was greater than assets. So in the next video we will study the next condition where assets is higher than the liability. So in the next video we will still talk about that. Thank you.